GCTS is having a big day today. This is Thursday, the 29th of January 2026. We have other stocks as well: TCGL, FEED, and SGN. So GCTS, as up as you can see, 62.45%. The company announced a licensing agreement for its 5G and 4G chipsets with a major global satellite communications provider, creating a pathway for future chipset sales with shipments expected to begin in the second half of this year. Okay, so the stock is showing a lot of strength within a longer term, okay, let's just say neutral trend. Okay, the strength is expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 2nd of February. After that, okay, yeah, up till Wednesday, sorry, Tuesday, the 3rd of February. After that, we might see the prospect of a contraction that may remain in place up till the 6th of March. And then from the 9th, it might resume the uptrend. And it's expected that the 40-day moving average is going to continue to begin. Yes, it's rising already, has changed direction, has pivoted, and is expected to keep maintain the trajectory to help constrain the impending contraction that might begin to play out. So if it begins to contract, it's expected to trade within this tiny space here. As things stand right now, we are not seeing any further upward projections because this is a huge move. So the algos have not been able to recalculate. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken, and there's a chance that maybe by the 10th of February it may drop below its 10-day moving average. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, so even though it has run up a huge gain, the okay, yeah, positions opened 10 days ago and now in profits. Okay, so the 10-day moving average is rising at the pace of 55.19 dollars every day. Just given the strength it is showing today, the indication is that the 10-day moving average is, or rather, the implication of this trend it's showing today is that the 10-day moving average is rising at the pace of 5.29 dollars. Okay, so let's see whether we have any intraday highs here. Yeah, 1.84 intraday high. Yeah, huge volume. You can see at 132 million. Surely one of the most active today. One of the most active stocks today. Yeah. TCGL is, I think, just started trading. When was that? 15th of October. Okay, the stock is up at 234.14%. Stock opened at $8.92 and rapidly climbed to a high of 25 point, no, 20, yeah, okay, well, to the current price of 29.17, driven by heightened trade interest without any apparent fundamental trigger. Okay. Volume is now 3.31 million shares, significantly above its recent 10-day average of 1.84 million, indicating strong speculative participation. Social media chatter from trading communities amplified the move, with scanners and alerts highlighting the breakout as a momentum pure play in yeah, in this small FinCap tech name. This appears to build on lingering post listing enthusiasm from the company's New York Stock Exchange debut in October, and been a bell ringing ceremony on the 20th of January. But no new announcements or data releases were reported to directly spark today's action. Okay, okay, yeah, no, there isn't enough data for any extrapolations. I don't think we're gonna have any on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we have. Okay, so it's saying here that this trend might remain in place up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, the prospect of a contraction may begin to play out. No projections. 10.17, just a downward projection, nothing to the upside. But we might be able to see some on its 1 minute chart here. Oh, 1 minute chart, nothing here. Okay, nothing, no, nothing to the upside. Yeah, strange. Yeah, okay. Well, it's actually straight. It's this expansion happened today in the regular session of today. So that's probably why we are not able to see anything. Yeah. So caution is surely warranted with TCGL. Okay, FEED is up 78.7%. Let's see what's going on. Okay, there's a strategic distribution partnership with You Deliver. That's what is behind the spike. The agreement announced, in the post-market session of yesterday, expands nationwide access to the company's over-the-counter reusable MFIT syringes for non-acute care settings, targeting enteral feeding markets. This deal with a major distributor enhances product availability without prescriptions, addressing a key growth area in medical devices. Okay, trading volume spiked, 109.19 million shares and counting, and reflecting investor enthusiasm for the revenue potential from broader US distribution. The move built on recent product launches, with shares reacting positively during this regular hour, during this regular hours. Okay, so let's see what we have. It's expected to consolidate this gains up till Friday, the 6th of February. Expected to continue to print higher prices up till Monday, and then from Tuesday may go into a consolidation up to Friday the 6th. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a contraction. Yeah, as a matter of fact, contraction going all the way towards the 11th of March. Projections here are saying 3.22, 2.85. They're all downward projections, but it has previous upward projections in the form of 7.55, 8.16, 23.01, 26.0, $26. Yeah, for some reason the algos never projected anything at all. Never. Last time it projected anything to the upside was way well before now. These they were upper projections given the strength. Now they are now downward projections. Okay, so yes, the last time it actually, it's not very. They're not. Yeah, not the last time they projected anything positive was in October, I think. It's interesting stuff. SGN up 57.58%. There are no available reports to show. To justify this expansion. Okay, we're looking at right now. The stock has been volatile amid ongoing major discussions with blockchain, AI, and no, sorry, with blockchain digital infrastructure, with an update on the 20th, outlining progress toward a February or March closing, and highlighting the targets. $22.9 million 2024 revenue, and data center potential. This may have fueled speculative buying as the deal nears, but no new developments emerged. Retail chatter on social platforms amplified interest, collaborated by elevated trading volume, though no verifiable trigger like a regulatory approval or analyst upgrade. Analyst coverage surfaced. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Let's see now. Okay, even with the strength, the algos are suggesting that extrapolation is suggesting that it may continue to decline. Yeah, it has been consolidating since the 16th of January. But in any case, projections are saying 0.3184, 0.5213, 0.6775, 0.7739 as things stand right now. And yeah, low prices still expected to continue to print. A contraction is expected to play out from tomorrow, the 30th. But that may not be the case. Yeah. Okay. Just see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.